Angie. Hey, we're gonna learn it from Angie. She's a robot from Sweet. We're gonna learn it from Angie.
That's me. Welcome to Engineering Expo. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Hi, I'm Kait, and I'm a project engineer at Certainty, and I'm also a member of the Engineering Expo Planning Committee. And this is Hannah.
Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a design engineer at Spirit Aerosystems, also a member of the Engineering Expo Planning Committee.
And today we're going to talk about buoyancy.
And here is the list of materials that you'll need. So Kait, can you tell me about buoyancy?
Yeah, of course. So buoyancy is the force that allows something to float on water. So let's grab anything you would have, really, like a little lid like this. So what happens when we put this lid on water is it floats.
Cool.
That's the buoyancy. That's the force that allows it to sit on top of the water. So when we put weight on it or push on it, you can see we're overcoming buoyancy.
Interesting. So that lid has quite a bit of surface area. What if we used something that had less surface area on the water?
You know, that's a really cool idea. Let's try it. Let's use the side and see what happens. So we're going to put it in. Oh, yeah, it took a lot less force for it to go down that time.
Interesting.
I think we could experiment with some tinfoil boats and figure out what surface area has to do with buoyancy.
That sounds like fun to me. Let's do it.
Well, I think we should make our boats, and we'll put some of these pennies in there to see how they do.
All right, it's on. Say, yours looks a lot bigger than mine.
Yeah, I have a lot of surface area on the bottom. It looks like yours is kind of like a hot dog.
Well, if mine's a hot dog, yours is a hamburger. I don't know. I think mine's a little more sturdy and is going to hold more pennies.
All right, let's see what wins, the hot dog or the hamburger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 19. It's a 19-cent hot dog.
The good old days.
20, 21, 22, 39, 40. Oh, it's a 40-cent hamburger. Well, it looked like the boat with more surface area held more pennies.
Yeah, yours held almost twice the pennies that mine did, which means it's more buoyant.
Yeah. Say, why don't you pull out your engineering notebooks and let's go over some questions we might have. Like, do you think a boat with more surface area or less surface area would hold more pennies?
Or you could experiment with what happens when you stack all the pennies in a single pile rather than spreading them out in your boat.
Well, we sure had fun making hot dog and hamburger shaped boats with you today.
Yeah, share your creation with us by posting a picture of yourself with your boat on our event page and let us know. Did your creation beat my 19-cent hot dog boat?
Until then, see you next time!
Angie, we're gonna learn it from Angie. We're gonna learn it from
I think it's got a wider surface area on the bottom. Should we tell?
We're gonna learn it from Angie.
So we had a lot of fun building hot dog and hamburger boats with you today.
I'm sorry.
From Angie. She's a robot from Sweet.
Oh, there it goes, there it goes.
We're gonna learn it from Angie. She's a robot from Sweet. We're gonna learn it from Angie.
Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.